we have the following data set, and we want to extract the variance and standard deviation of both the population and sample. First, we calculate the average by utilizing the average function that gives us a value of 5.62. The deviation is every data point minus the average, which we make an absolute reference, and we copy it all the way down. These values need to be squared, so we use the caret and the number 2 to square it. For the variance of the population, we add all these values up, and we need to divide it by the total number of data points. In this case, it's 5. The standard deviation of the population is the square root of the variance. If we assume that this is a sample, we add all the squared values, but instead of dividing it by 5 data points, it's 5 minus 1. So in this case, it's 4 data points, and the standard deviation is also the square root of the variance of the sample. Similarly, we can use the function VAR.P to calculate the variance of the population, and we put the whole data set inside of it. For the standard deviation of the population, we use standard deviation.P, and we repeat the same process. And then we have the variance of the sample with VAR.S, and the standard deviation of the sample, which includes STDEV.S. As we can see, all the manual calculations and the functions match.